What's up, everybody? It's Melissa of Inner Sounds Academy, and I am here because of the wonderfully good fortune of being able to buy a new gong for myself for the holidays. And I thought I would unbox the ATLANTIS gong. So where did I get this gong? Well, I got it from Gongs Unlimited, who I have been using, oh my God, forever. 10 years. They have the best collection. They have awesome customer service. I love you, Andrew and crew. You can call them up, ask questions, and they just have like a wonderful sense of humor. I love, they're total weirdos just like me, and it makes it so much fun to work with them. So they're the only people I buy gongs from, exclusively. And this ATLANTIS gong, look at how well packed it is. I mean, they got all of this. Thank you. Oh, they gave me a mallet. I didn't even know that was coming with it. This is a Chinese style mallet is what it's called. It's got this really hard top. This actually looks like a better design than the ones that I have. It's like flat on the top. Mine tend to slip. This feels like pretty solid. Like mine, they slip down, and sometimes I accidentally ding, like hit the top, the wooden part on the gong. Not good for the nervous system. Okay, so let's check them out. Ooh, lots of paper, or whatever this is. It's always my nightmare that like I'm gonna do one of these unboxing videos and like struggle. Oh. We have a little disclaimer notice. Read that later. Oh, wow. And now we even have more. It's okay. I can do it. Oh, hey. I got a sticker. Oh, check it out. It's got like a dolphin. It says, classy. Oh my God, I love those guys. I used to do cards, like little playing cards. That was hilarious. Okay. So here we go. It's definitely, here it is. Yes. Okay. Aha. Behold. The Atlantis. Okay. All right. So we've got a string. Kind of a basic hanger, right? It's like 3 strings. That's decent enough. All right, so I'm gonna put it on the stand. Let's see. All right, so it's hanging pretty low. Gonna have to adjust that later. Okay, so, hey, what if I did something cool like I just brought you over here? What about that? Oh, I don't even need to edit. So it's hanging pretty low, and there's a knot at the top which I can adjust, but for right now I'm just gonna widen my gong hangers here so that way it won't hang quite as low as it is right now. All right, so there we go. Our first dreamy moment with the ATLANTIS gong. But first, you know, let's just take a look at it. So it's got, you know, it's a kind of a rough exterior as compared to the Paiste, which you can see is very smooth and shiny. Like this is untreated, okay? So, and it's got lots of different hammerings. So these are also handmade as well as the Paistes. So each gong maker will hand hammer the gong until it sounds nice. It's really up to the gong maker's intuition and their knowledge and wisdom to make that decision, unless you're buying a planetary gong, which is actually tuned to a specific note. And in that case, the gong maker will be, you know, going away, but they have to hit a certain range and frequency for it to be a planetary gong. This is just decided, you know, by the universe and by the gong maker themselves, versus, you know, one where it's a specific note. All right, so let's try, I guess we can try the feisty. Oh, I'm excited. I love getting a new gong. I think I have 13 of them in my collection. So here we go. Very first hit. I have not played it, obviously. Here we go. I'm just, you know, getting to know it. Some initial impressions are it's got like a purr kind of sound to it. It reminds me a bit of a cat that's purring, which is very therapeutic. I want to try it with the Chinese mallet that came with it right here. And we'll see how that's different. This is a Feisty M2 mallet. Here's a Chinese mallet. This has there's a higher frequency that comes out with this. Ooh, feels good too. So, you know, I'm going to be spending the next few weeks getting to know this gong and what is its song, you know, what is its frequency, what is its healing power. Like the planetary gongs, you know, have these sort of pre-built astrological meanings, you know, Greek myth significance, but this is very fresh and new, right? So I'm going to be getting to know it and just establishing some trust, seeing how far it wants to go, what is it like if it crashes, what's the re-sound like on this gong, which will hook to the video up above. And also, yeah, what is its intention of what kind of healing it wants to bring into the world. So I'll let you know. All right, thanks so much for joining our channel. Please spread it around to people who love sound healing, and leave positive comments below. Subscribe. All right, thank you all.